Here you go, man. Here's some white cockatoos eating the grub off the ground. You think storks are fun? We have a shitload of these. So enjoy. Oh yeah, he's pulling his tail.
Man, that one was biting my tail.
Yeah. There's heaps over the other across the road.
Just right.
Yeah, gotta wait, man. Just about to cross the road in the mighty city of Perth.
Mighty city.
Yes, it's a mighty city. Look at it. Mighty. Looks like a festival was happening a while back, but not anymore. What's happening here? Waiting for the cars.
Let's go after this one.
Okay, let's go. There's all the bus port. Oh, we got kookaburras in the thing. Look at that, some more white cockatoos going crazy. Man, I tell you what, they must love this grub off the floor. Look at them, they're covered like a white blanket. Look at him hopping away. Yeah, look at that. Ew! Look at him move. Okay, I'm just walking down to the train station to go home. Let's have a look here. Better hurry up before the cars run us over.
It's unlikely that the Japanese are invading.
The Westpac building. There we go, the ANZ building. Okay. Just the local traffic going through. Well, I gotta turn it off now because we're not allowed a video inside the actual train stations anymore for fear or threat of the tourist, the terrorist, the Akbar terrorist. So there we have it. I shall bid you adieu and I'll catch you around, man.